Dear students, we are handling the topic trigonometry. In the trigonometry topic, trigonometry ratios up to transformations. In this topic, page number 281, exercise 6E is going on. In the exercise 6E concept, Roman number 2 sums completed. Today class is Roman number 3. Among the Roman number 3 questions, first question, if cos x plus cos y is equal to 4 by 5, comma, sin x plus sin y, no, it is cos x minus cos y. Cos x minus cos y given as 2 by 7. Cos x minus cos y given as 2 by 7. Find the value of 14 tan of x minus y by 2 plus 5 cot of x plus y by 2 is equal to dash. We should calculate the value given cos x plus cos y is equal to 4 by 5. Let it be first equation. Next one, cos x minus cos y is equal to 2 by 7. It is the second equation. Now 1 by 2, that is equal to cos c plus cos d formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. So apply here 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2. 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 whole by cos c minus cos d formula, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 is the cos c minus cos d. Minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2 is equal to 4 by 5 by 2 by 7. Here 2 get cancelled. That implies cos by sin becomes minus cot. Minus cot of x plus y by 2. Minus cot of x plus y by 2 into, again cos by sin can be written as cot. So 1 by cot becomes tan. Write like this. This is tan of x minus y by 2 is equal to, this can be understood as 4 into 7 by 5 into 2. 4 into 7 by 5 into 2. This is 2 times 2 7s are 14 by 5 here. We got minus cot of x minus y by 2. Minus cot of x minus y by 2, x plus minus cot of x plus y by 2 by tan of x minus y by 2 is equal to 14 by 5. Take cross multiplication. It becomes 14 tan of x minus y by 2 is equal to minus 5 cot of x plus y by 2. This is plus. Minus 5 taken this side, it becomes plus. That implies 14 into tan of x minus y by 2 plus 5 into cot of x plus y by 2 is equal to 0. So the value is 0. second question in Roman number 3. Second question, if none of the denominators 0, prove that cos A plus cos B. The same question is there in objective level 2. Cos A plus cos B by sin A minus sin B. Cos A plus cos B by sin A minus sin B whole power n plus sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B by cos A minus cos B. Cos A minus cos B whole power n is equal to 2 power n cot power n of A plus B by 2. 2 power n cot power n of A plus B by 2 if n is even. The same value you will get 0 if n is odd. If n is odd, the value is 0. Take LHS. Cos A plus cos B by sin A minus sin B whole power n plus sin A plus sin B by cos A minus cos B whole power n. Here you should understand that each and every formula belonging to transformation we are facing here, that is cos C plus cos D, sin C minus sin D, sin C plus sin D and cos C minus cos D. Each and every formula you should know. Cos C plus cos D formula 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Here C plus D became as A plus B. 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 whole by sin C minus sin D formula 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. So this is 2 cos of A plus B by 2 plus sin of into sin of A minus B by 2. This is first formula in the transformations, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So this is 2 sin of A plus B by 2 into sin of A minus B by 2 whole by cos C minus cos D formula minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So here write minus 2 into sin of A plus B by 2 minus 2 into sin of A plus B by 2 into sin of A minus B by 2 into sin of A minus B by 2. Here cos of A plus B by 2 term along with 2 got cancelled. Here sin of A minus B by 2 along with 2 got cancelled. Now cos by sin become cot. Write like this. Whole power n is there. Here also should apply whole power n. Now write like this. Cot of A plus B by 2 whole power n plus here also sin 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C plus and this is cos, students. 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A plus B by 2 let cancel. Sin C plus sin D formula 2 sin of C plus D by 2. So 2 sin of A plus B by 2 into this is cos of A minus B by 2 whole by this formula minus 2 sin of A plus B by 2 into this is a sin of A minus B by 2 whole power n. Whole power n. Here sin of A plus B by 2 get cancelled along with 2. Now write like this. Cos by sin becomes cot. Put here minus cot. Minus cot of A plus B by 2 whole power n. Here you can understand one thing that minus 1 whole power n. Minus 1 whole power n is equal to 1 if n is even within the brackets. Because minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole power 4, minus 1 whole power 6, like that each and everything is becoming positive. In the similar way, minus 1 whole power n is equal to minus 1. In the bracket you write if n is odd. If n is equal to 3, it becomes minus 1 whole cube minus 1. If n is equal to minus 1 whole power 5, it is minus 1. So, according to that formula directly you can write that implies if n is even. If n is even, it becomes minus becomes plus. So, cot power a plus b by 2 whole power n plus cot power a by a plus b by 2 power n. We are getting two terms along with power n. So 2 cot power n of a plus b by 2. If n is even. Next step I am writing if n is odd. If n is odd, I said here that minus becomes minus only. So cot power n a plus b by 2 minus cot power n a plus b by 2 will be getting cancelled. You will get the answer as 0. Cot power n a plus b by 2 minus cot power n of a plus b by 2. So if n is odd, the value is 0. If n is even, this can be understood as cot power n of a plus b by 2 plus cot power n of a plus b by 2. That is equal to cot power n of a plus b by 2, and this is 0. This is the sum. Next, third question is there. This is also easy question. For 2 marks. In 2014, asked the question, Roman number 3, third question. If sin A is equal to sin B and cos A is equal to cos B. Sin A is equal to sin B and cos A is equal to cos B. Then prove that A is equal to 2n pi plus B. If sin A is equal to sin B, comma, cos A is equal to cos B, then prove that A is equal to 2n pi plus B for some integer n. It should given as it is a positive integer. I am making you to remember the values. This is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, and again this is 2 pi. Rotation started at 0, and one complete rotation or one complete revolution takes 360 degrees. If a particle moves from here to here and if it reaches the particle here, we used to say that the rotation completed along with 360 degrees. So this is 2 pi. Whenever 2 pi plus is there, this rotation is called as 2 pi plus. 2 pi plus is called as 1 plus rotation. So second rotation, we have entered second rotation. If it is 4 pi plus, it is third rotation. 6 pi plus fourth rotation, like this. It is nothing but 2n pi plus, meaning is after completion of n rotations, the value will not be changed. So, given I am writing, given sin A is equal to sin B. Now, you can understand here, sin A is equal to sin of 2 pi plus B. Just I am making you to remember the formula that sin 360 plus theta is nothing but sin theta. In the similar way, cos 360 plus theta is nothing but cos theta. Sir, whatever, no, not only 2 pi but also pi you can say, sir. Okay, you can say sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta, but cos 180 minus theta is not cos theta. If you write here cos 360 minus theta is equal to cos theta, sir, we can write. Okay, you can write. But sin 360 minus theta is not sin theta. So that is why for common angles you should consider only 0. It is nothing but 2 pi. Take any rotations, n rotations you can take. Sin A is equal to, in the similar way, I am writing sin like this. Try to understand. This is 2 into 2 pi plus b. So next rotation. In the similar way, you can write this is sin into 2 into 3 pi plus b. So on like this. You can write sin A is equal to sin of 2n pi plus b after completion of n rotations or n revolutions. Similarly, so for common letter we need to ask. Similarly, you can write as cos A is equal to cos 2n pi plus b. Directly you can write. So you take either sin or cos anything after. By taking inverse function both sides. Of course, directly you can write that is A is equal to, here sin A is equal to sin of 2 into n pi plus b, cos A is equal to cos of 2n pi plus b. Here sin A is equal to sin of 2n pi plus b. So directly you can understand that A is equal to 2n pi plus b. N belongs to z, right? N belongs to z. Z meaning integer. Next one IMP question is there, fourth question. Roman number 3, general number 4. If cos alpha not equal to 0 and cos alpha by 2 not equal to 0. Cos alpha, cos n alpha. Cos n alpha not equal to 0 and cos alpha by 2 not equal to 0. Cos n alpha not equal to 0 and cos alpha by 2 also not equal to 0. Show that sin of n plus 1 into alpha sin of n plus 1 into alpha minus sin of n minus 1 into alpha whole by cos of n plus 1 into alpha whole by cos of n plus 1 into alpha plus 2 cos n alpha plus cos of n minus 1 into alpha. Cos of n minus 1 into alpha is equal to tan alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2. Now take LHS. Sin of n plus 1 into alpha. In the topic of transformations in objective material, in level 1, second question, this one. So whatever the IP sum is important, such a question they given in objective material. In any objective material you can face such questions. Sin of n plus 1 alpha minus sin of n minus 1 alpha plus, write like this, cos of n plus 1 alpha plus cos of n minus 1 alpha, write side by side. Next, side by side we had written next plus 2 cos n alpha, separately you can take. Apply here sin c minus sin d formula. Sin c minus sin d formula is 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Right here 2 cos of c plus d by 2, meaning here along with taken alpha common I am writing n plus 1 plus n minus 1 whole by 2. Sin c minus sin d 2 cos c plus d by 2. Write like this into sin c minus d by 2. This can be written as n plus 1 minus n plus 1, because minus of n minus 1 becomes minus n plus 1 whole by 2 within bracket alpha whole by, for first two terms we write the formula of cos c plus cos d concept. Cos c plus cos d concept is formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So n plus 1 plus n minus 1 into alpha. Next, cos of n plus 1 minus n plus 1 whole by 2 into alpha. Plus, for this one, another separate term he given. That term is 2 cos n alpha. This is 2. 2 cos n alpha. That is equal to. Here 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Here n minus n get cancelled. Now you can write 2 cos of, this is n plus n, 2n. 2n by 2 becomes n alpha into. Here 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 becomes 1. This is sin alpha. Whole by. In the similar way, here also we can get 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 2n by 2 becomes n alpha. So this is 2 cos of n alpha into, this is cos. 1 n get cancelled. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. 2 by 2 becomes 1. So this is 2 cos alpha. Plus is there. Plus 2 cos n alpha. Plus 2 cos n alpha. That is equal to, in the numerator I am writing 2 cos n alpha into sin alpha. Whole by, this is alpha. Whole by, in denominator you take common 2 cos n alpha. So you are getting cos alpha plus 1. Here 2 cos n alpha term got cancelled. So now write the formula. Sin alpha formula. According to sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a is there. Here this can be understood as sin a, which is submultiple angle 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. This is 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 by 1 plus cos alpha formula, 2 cos square alpha by 2. I said plenty of times that formula. 2 get cancelled, cos alpha will be getting cancelled, cos square alpha by 2 terms. We have here sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. Everyone knows that sin theta by cos theta becomes tan theta. So this is tan alpha by 2. This is RHS. Fifth question. This is most IMP conceptual question. Most IMP conceptual question. Because same question they asked in 2013 JEE mains, same question they asked in 2005 JEE, IITJEE in those days, and in MSET 2000, and in MSET plenty of times they given the same question, and in IB also 4 marks IMP. Depends upon transformations formulae, submultiple angle formulae and multiple angle formulae. The question is given. Secant of theta plus alpha. Secant of theta plus alpha. Plus secant of theta minus alpha. Secant of theta plus alpha plus secant of theta minus alpha is equal to 2 secant theta. 2 secant theta. And cos alpha not equal to 1, and cos alpha not equal to 1, then show that cos theta is equal to plus or minus root 2 cos alpha by 2, plus or minus root 2 cos alpha by 2. This is the question. Now given this total value given, we should prove this value. Write the solution as given. Secant of theta plus alpha plus secant of theta minus alpha is equal to 2 secant theta. We know that secant theta is 1 by cos theta. So write like this, 1 by cos theta plus alpha plus 1 by cos of theta minus alpha is equal to 2 by cos theta. So each and every term of secant got converted in terms of cos. That implies take LCM in denominator It can be written as cos of theta plus alpha into cos of theta minus alpha. This term this side, this term this side. So cos of theta minus alpha plus cos of theta plus alpha is equal to 2 by cos theta. We know the formula cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is 2 cos A cos B. So this is 2 cos theta cos alpha. And here you should remember the formula cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B as cos square A minus sin square B. Now write like this. This is cos square theta minus sin square alpha is equal to 2 by cos theta. 2 by cos theta. Take cross multiplication. That implies 2 cos square theta into cos alpha is equal to multiplying both sides 2 into cos square theta minus sin square alpha. Here 2 get cancelled. That implies cos square theta. Cos square theta into cos alpha is equal to cos square theta minus sin square alpha. Minus sin square alpha. This minus sin square alpha taken left side. Right like this. Minus sin square alpha is equal to this terms taken this side. Cos square theta minus cos square theta into cos alpha. That implies sin square alpha can be written as 1 minus cos square alpha is equal to here cos square theta taken common. Right like this. 1 minus cos alpha. This is of the form, try to understand, this is of the form A square minus B square. So you can expand the 1 minus cos square alpha as 1 plus cos alpha into 1 minus cos alpha. 1 plus cos alpha into 1 minus cos alpha. Into here cos square theta into 1 minus cos alpha. 1 minus cos alpha get cancelled. That is why he said the first question 1 minus given cos alpha not equal to 0 like that he given. Yes, cos alpha not equal to 1. Whenever cos alpha is equal to 1 it becomes 0 and becomes 0. 0 equal to 0. There is no sum. That is why whenever cos alpha not equal to 1 directly you can get cancelled both sides. Now therefore we got cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos alpha. Next step. Cos square theta is equal to submultiple angle formula for 1 plus cos alpha is 2 cos square alpha by 2. For 1 plus cos alpha 2 cos square alpha by 2. You should know the formula, students. If you don't know the formula, you can understand any trigonometric question. Cos theta is equal to, now taken root both sides. So you can write here plus or minus root 2 into cos of alpha by 2. This is the question. Cos theta is equal to plus or minus root 2 into cos of alpha plus beta by 2. If you take reciprocal, then 1 by cos theta is equal to 1 by root of 2 into cos alpha by 2. Or for objective I am writing secant theta is equal to plus or minus root 2 secant alpha by 2. Sixth question. Students, whatever the fourth question, fifth question, previous question, I said it is important 4 marks sum in objective, mains question and MCET question also. Now, this is also objective concept, objective mains question and an MCET question. Of course, this is not important in IPE. This is for objective only I am discussing with you. Sixth question. Sixth question, if none of x comma y comma z, none of x comma y comma z is not an odd multiple of pi by 2. Is not an odd multiple of pi by 2. For each and every question, why he is giving the condition, meaning the value, whatever the value, whether it is in tan or sine or cos, every function should be defined. If it is multiple of pi by 2, example 1 into pi by 2, he is given that to show that tan x, tan y, tangent are in AP. If x is pi by 2, tan pi by 2 becomes infinity. If y is pi by 2, tan pi by 2 becomes infinity. If z is pi by 2, tan pi by 2 becomes infinity. Infinity should not come. You should not get the value infinity. Infinity meaning is not defined. So we are doing the sum and you should not say the answer not defined. That is why we used to give the condition. Don't bother about the condition. According to our rules, you should follow the sum. Odd multiple of pi by 2. And if sine of odd multiple of, and if sine of x plus sine of y plus z minus x, sine of y plus z minus x, comma, sine of z plus x minus y, sine of z plus x minus y, comma, sine of x plus y minus z, x plus y minus z, are in AP. AP meaning arithmetic progression. Then prove that tan x comma tan y comma tan z are in AP. Tan x comma tan y comma tan z are in AP. Do we have arithmetic progression in 10th class? Okay. So condition of AP I am discussing with you. Condition of AP is the value T2 minus T1, like this I made. Condition of AP is T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. First term, difference between the two consecutive terms are same. Otherwise, if A comma B comma C are in AP, you can say that 2B is equal to A plus C. Example 2 comma 4 comma 6. 2 into middle term, 2 into 4 is equal to 8. First term plus last term is equal to 2 plus 6, 8. Now, that is not correct way. This is the correct way to show this sum. Like that also you can get answer, but 2 boards is required. Now, that implies what is here, you can understand this is T1 first term, this is T2, this is T3. T2 minus T1 I am applying. Sine of Z plus X, sine of Z plus X minus Y, minus sine of Y plus Z minus X, Y plus Z, Y plus Z minus X is equal to sine of Z plus X minus Y, Z plus X minus Y, minus sine of, this is X plus Y minus Z, third term, X plus Y minus Z, third term, X plus Y minus Z, minus sine of, second term, Z plus X minus Y. Now, common letter we should write and write the formula. What is the common letter is there? Z plus X, Z minus X, but Y is there. So Z plus X minus Y, let us write like this. Z plus X minus Y minus sine of Z minus of X minus Y. Students, here you should try to understand. Here Z plus X minus Y have written common way. Here plus Y is given, but don't get confused. Minus I have taken, minus of minus becomes plus only. In the similar way, you should write the formula here also. Sine of, what is common here? Here X, we take common. X plus Y minus Z, X minus Y minus Z. Write like this. X plus Y minus Z minus sine of X minus of Y minus Z. In the similar way you can understand minus Y plus minus of minus becomes plus. Now
Students, you can understand the formula sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D is 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. Both sides write like this. 2 cos of C plus D by 2. 2 cos of Z plus X minus Y by 2. Oh, full letters. This full C. Try to understand, this is full C and this is full D concept. 2 cos of C plus D by 2. So this is Z plus X minus Y plus Z minus X plus Y by 2. Because 2 cos of C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2 means as it is Z plus X minus Y plus Z. It is minus, as it is term minus X within the brackets, minus is there, that is we should write by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. So you can write like this, Z plus X minus Y minus Z, minus of minus here plus X minus Y as it is term whole by 2. If you are having any doubt, you should write simple step minus of is equal to 9 2 cos of, in the similar way 2 cos of here C plus D by 2 X plus Y minus Z plus as it is term. So this becomes X minus Y plus Z whole by 2 into sin of X plus Y minus Z minus X. Minus of minus becomes plus Y within bracket as it is Y minus Z by 2. Now get cancelled terms you see, students. X minus X get cancelled. Of course minus Y plus Y get cancelled. Here minus Y, Z minus Z got cancelled. Here Y minus Y got cancelled, minus Z plus Z got cancelled. Here X and X cancelled. That's all. That implies 2 cos of. Try to understand, this is Z plus Z, 2Z is there. 2Z by 2 becomes simple Z into sin of. Here X minus Y plus X minus Y, 2 terms are there. 2 into X minus Y by 2. So get cancelled directly. You can write 2 cos Z X minus Y is equal to 2 cos of. 2 cos of, here we got 2x by 2. 2x by 2 meaning x into sin of. Into sin of. This is 2y minus 2z. So it is y minus z. 2 got cancelled. That implies, students, this is somewhat lengthy question. Apply the compound angle formula, cos z into here sin x cos y minus cos x sin y is equal to here cos x into, this is compound angle formula, sin a minus b formula, sin y cos z, sin y cos z minus cos y sin z, cos y sin z. Now multiply completely the values for all sides, multiply completely. So sin x cos y cos z, sin x cos y cos z minus cos x sin y cos z, cos x sin y cos z is equal to cos x sin y cos z, cos x sin y cos z minus cos x cos y cos z, cos x cos y cos z. Not cos z here, lost sin z, cos x cos y sin z. Now divide by the step I am writing, you should try to understand. Divide by cos x cos y cos z both sides. For all terms, divide by cos x cos y cos z. In the place of question I am writing. cos x cos y cos z divided by cos x cos y cos z. So this is sin x cos y into cos z. By for everything you write like this. Sin x cos y cos z by like this. Cos x cos y cos z minus cos x sin y cos z. Cos x sin y cos z by cos x cos y cos z. Cos x cos y cos z is equal to cos x sin y cos z. Cos x sin y cos z by cos x cos y cos z. Cos x cos y cos z minus like this. Cos x cos y sin z. Cos x sin y cos z by cos x cos y cos z. Cos x cos y cos z. Same question you will face in objective. In objective I will not say the question. Directly I will say the IITJEE page number 282, Roman number 3, fourth question already faced tan x tan by tan theta and AP like that answer inside. Now what is happening here? Cos y cos z terms got cancelled. Cos x cos x cos z got cancelled. Here cos x cancelled, cos z cancelled, and cos x cos y cancelled. Now sin x by cos x can be understood as tan x minus sin y by cos y can be understood as tan y is equal to, in the similar way here, tan y minus tan z. So whatever the concept, just here I said t2 minus t1 is equal to t3 minus t2, the concept we got in terms of tan. Therefore conclusion you can say that, therefore tan x comma tan y comma tan x comma tan y comma tan z are in AP. This is the conceptual question. No need to prove in IPE. In IPE you never face such question, but this I said for only objective. Tan x, tan y, tan z are in AP. Okay students, let us continue the remaining topic and transformations application sums in next class.